Introduction. So nowadays, most people who need to develop applications don't have enough technical background. Okay, so we don't all know how to code, we don't know how to program. So there's all kinds of different skills that we might have. Okay, for example, there's people who have less skills, people who just use documents, files, spreadsheets, etc. Then there's other roles in the companies who actually need to be able to build applications, but they just don't know how to code, like analysts, auditors, executives, process administrators, technicians. And then obviously there's a very small amount of people in the world who actually do know how to develop an application, how to code in PHP and Java, etc. Those would be the developers, the engineers. So what we're going to see is that all the applications, whatever we want to build in our portal, we don't need any of this technical background. Okay, so the people who are actually using our application don't have these technical skills. Some of them do. Obviously, this comes in handy, and some of them don't. And some of them, when they start a course, they actually have very little experience with computers and anything related to IT. So this is the theory, but obviously we want to see if this is actually true. So we're going to put this into practice. We're going to see, amongst other things, how to develop a process from scratch. We're going to see how to design the data structure for our process. We're going to learn how to use conditional logic. We're going to be able to perform statistical and real simulations. We're going to be able to monitor the results. We're going to implement some improvements. Okay, so once we've got everything up and running, we're going to change a few things to improve our processes. We're also going to publish the processes so that they can be integrated with other applications. And we're going to export the process to Excel. Obviously, this tool allows us to do much more, but since we want to keep it simple, we want to keep it short, and we want to have a video that doesn't take longer than an hour, we're going to keep it up to these features that we just mentioned. And in the next courses, you're going to be able to see a lot more.